Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipes. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again and for your continued supports. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare another easy home-cooked recipe, which is bitter melon with shrimps. And to begin, chopped 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Then slice 1 medium slice of white onion. Write in the comment your name and the country where you are watching my video, for me to greet you and thank you on my coming next video. Cut 1 medium size of tomato. Your feedback help us grow. Write in the comment your views. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the end of the video, for you to always be updated. Have 1 piece of bitter melon. Cut, remove the seeds, and slice. Bitter melon is mostly popular in Asia and Africa. Its unique taste and potential health benefits have made it a favorite ingredient in various regional cuisines. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find some of the kitchen utensils I am using in my video, where you can always buy them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of water and let it soak for 10 minutes. This will help remove the bitter taste of the bitter melon. Then have some pieces of shrimps and remove the skin or shell. Now all the ingredients are prepared. We can start cooking by putting some cooking oil in a heated pan. Then saute the garlic. Continue on mixing until the aroma comes out, but don't let it burn out. Now add the onion and continue on stirring until the onion will caramelize. Add the tomato and continue on cooking for about 1 minute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Continue on cooking while pressing or squeezing the tomato, then add the shrimps. Add 1/2 cup of water, wait until it turns to boil, then add the bitter melon. By this time you can already turn off the heat. This delicious vegetable stir-fry made of bitter melon, shrimp, and tomatoes. It's nutritious, delicious, and budget-friendly too. If you're looking for a simple vegetable dish, this ampalaya stir-fry with shrimp must be on your regular meal rotation. You will love it as much I love it. Quick and easy to make in under 30 minutes. It's as nutritious as it is delicious. It makes a tasty meal with steamed rice, and it's packed with protein and good-for-you nutrients. You'll feel good serving it to the whole family.